Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We've got some tips for ladder use when getting on roofs and especially for HVAC work. If you're stationed at a particular place and doing building maintenance, you really want to learn the best places to put your ladders and kind of develop a systematic approach to it. When placing extension ladders, they need to extend at least 3 feet above the building height for going up on the roof. Now, one nice thing here is using the ladder where it has the support on one side, and also this one has some anchorage at the feet in that it's able to be set so that it's not really possible to push out. So down at the feet, it's a very strong setting. You definitely want to place your ladder in a place that no one's going to come around a corner and wipe you out. You know, a golf cart, a car, anything along those lines. So those are all factors in consideration in developing the places where you're gonna place your ladders to go up on your roofs. And again, once you figure out that spot for each building that you're taking care of, you know, it's a good idea. Now, some of you guys, it's a different place every day, so you don't have the luxury, but you do have the wisdom and the idea, the thought process of all of these factors. You know, you need the ladder to extend at least 3 feet above the roof, and you want it to be in a place that no one's going to accidentally knock it over or come around a corner and wipe it out. And you want it to be as stable as possible. So using like this particular setup had a side benefit of the place being on the side. It just makes the most sense rather than going straight up to something that you're going to have to climb up and be on an incline. This particular arrangement allows you to step over into what is already, a corner of the incline. Hope that makes sense. For flat roofs or for building access points that have a built-in access ladder, those don't require going 3 feet over. You're just going to be using your ladder to get up to it in as safe a manner as possible. But again, the same thing. You're kind of developing the best possible scenario for accessing those situations. But for most situations, you need your ladder to extend at least 3 feet above the roof access. This one, I actually need to raise the ladder up one more rung in order to get the 3 feet requirement. And by placing this sideways to a portion of the roof, it creates a much more safety in that, especially when carrying items up on the roof, a backpack, a compressor, whatever needs to happen to make the repairs that need to happen, a bucket, a blower, whatever it is. Again, it just pays to develop a system for all of your buildings and even develop a place where you would go up normally. I just recommend doing it that way because once it helps build safety into what you do. And a little bit of familiarity with what you're doing is helpful. But again, many of you guys don't have that luxury. Every day is a new situation, and so you're having to use wisdom in how you set things up. If you need to put some cones outside of where the ladder is, do so. I've heard some horror stories of some guys climbing up on the second, third floor and somebody coming around the corner in a golf cart and wiping out the ladder, and somebody hanging on for dear life. And those are the situations that happen. They're horrible situations, and you want to prevent all of that as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to check out the Kung Fu Maintenance ebook. The link is in the description below the video, along with the tools and parts used in a lot of the videos you can find in the video descriptions below.